Dr. Shushmita Banerjee. I am a doctor for children's kidney diseases and I work in C.K. Birla hospitals in Kolkata. Very commonly we find that children with kidney disease are very susceptible to many infections. And in this immunization week, I would like to deliver the message that for all children, including those with chronic diseases like kidney disease, immunization is the best way forward to prevent infective complications. Thank you.
Hello, I am Dr. Shobhata Acharya. I am Senior Consultant Pediatrician at C.K. Birla Group Hospitals, Calcutta. I want to highlight the fact that we are observing the World Immunization Week, and the essence of this is that we should all be very careful to immunize completely all our children as per the current guidelines prescribed by the Indian Academy of Pediatrics, because missing an immunization is far more disastrous than giving an immunization. The side effects, there are very minor side effects of this immunization, the vaccines which we give, but they prevent many deadly diseases. So make sure that you immunize your child and help us in preventing the diseases which are prevalent in the society.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Ruchi Gulash, a pediatrician at C.K. Birla Hospital, CMRI. On this World Immunization Day, 25th of April, I will strongly urge all the parents to get your children immunized against all the vaccine preventable diseases. Vaccines save lives, they are safe and they are available globally. So please go ahead and get your children vaccinated against all the vaccine preventable diseases that there are.
Hello, I am Dr. Kakuli Acharya, Consultant Pediatrician and Neonatologist in the CMRI group of hospitals, and the immunization week is starting, so I just wanted to say that it is extremely important for all children, particularly those under 5, to get their jabs and to get their jabs in time as per our IAP schedule. So please, I know there is a COVID going on and it may seem difficult, but please ensure that they get their jabs in time. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Rajadhar and I head the Department of Pulmonology in the C.K. Birla Group of Hospitals, CMRI. World Immunization Day is here. I am an adult physician and I want to bring to you the message of adult immunization, especially influenza and pneumonia. Immunization has come to fore with the COVID pandemic. All of you would be in the middle of taking the COVID vaccine. Similarly, with influenza and pneumonia, you need to be vaccinated after the age of 50, and if you have comorbidities. Make sure you go and talk to your doctor about taking the influenza and pneumonia vaccine as appropriate in your case. Get vaccinated and be safe.